हेलो सेमेस्टर 6। हम लोग पेपर 17 का यूनिट 1 देख रहे थे, जो कि है इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। अब इसमें हमारा लास्ट टॉपिक है, जिसका हेडिंग है हमारा एंटरप्रेन्योरियल कॉम्पिटेंसेस। इसका हम लोग पहले इंट्रोडक्शन देखेंगे। अ कॉम्पिटेंस इज एन अंडरलाइंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अ पर्सन विच लीड टू हिज और हर effective or superior performance in a job. The term competence refers to the combination of knowledge, skills, motive, attitudes, and habits. Every role requires some particular competences. Now here we are seeing entrepreneurial competences. Now the first heading is initiative. The first point is initiative. Taking action that go beyond job requirement or demands of the situation, doing things on own before being asked for or being forced to by events, taking actions to expand the business into new areas, products or services. This is the first point. Now second is seeking and acting on opportunities. Seeing and acting on opportunities for business development or for personal growth. First off, seizing unusual opportunities to obtain and mobilize necessary resources. Now, third point is persistence. Taking repeated actions to overcome obstacles that get into the way of achieving goals. First off, ensuring all efforts to solve a problem or barrier. Now, next, fourth point, information seeking. Taking action on own to help reach objectives. First off, personally undertaking a research or analysis to find out answer to some problem. First of all, seeking information to clarify who indeed. Seeking information to clarify what is needed. Now correct this line. Seeking information to clarify that what is needed. First off, using contacts and networks to obtain desired information. Now, fifth point is concerns for high quality of work. Naturally, जब वर्क बहुत अच्छा होगा, हाई क्वालिटी होगी, अच्छी चीज़ें होंगी, अच्छी सर्विसेज होंगी, तो वो चीज़ वो एंटरप्रेन्योर बहुत आगे अपना अच्छा काम करता है, अच्छा बिजनेस चलता है. नाउ फिफ्थ पॉइंट, डूइंग थिंग्स दैट मीट और बीट एग्जिस्टिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ एक्सलेंस. First off, comparing own oblique company's work favorably to that of others. Full stop. Making all out efforts to ensure the quality of products or service. Full stop. Now, sixth point, commitment to work contract. Placing highest priority for getting a job completed, taking extraordinary efforts or making personal sacrifices to complete a job. Full stop. Accepting full responsibility for failure. कोई भी चीज़ अगर गलत होती है, कोई भी चीज़ खराब होती है तो if any, full stop, expressing utmost concern for the customers, readiness to work even at workers' places to get work done. Full stop. खुद भी काम करने के लिए तैयार रहता है. Now 7 point, efficiency orientation. Constantly looking for ways to do things faster or with fewer resources or at a lesser cost. Full stop. Using information or business tools to increase personal or professional efficiency. Full stop. Expressing concern for assessing cost versus rewards of some improvements, changes or action. Full stop. Now 8 point, systematic planning. Systematic planning एक उसका होता है competence. Developing and using logical step-by-step plans to reach goals. Full stop. Breaking a large task down into several subtasks. Full stop. Developing plans after duly anticipating obstacles. Full stop. Evaluating alternatives or merits and demerits. Taking a logical and systematic approach to activities in general. Now first time, now 9 point, problem solving. This is most important thing. Identifying and applying new and potentially unique ideas for reach the goals. Full stop. The root causes of the problem or objectives. क्या रूट में जाकर के उसके कारणों की खोज करना, गहराई से उसकी जड़ से. कीपिंग अल्टरनेटिव्स व्हेन एवर नेसेसरी, और अल्टरनेटिव्स को भी तैयार रखना है, उसके लिए माइंड में प्रिपरेशन रखना कि ये नहीं तो ये काम, या ये नहीं तो इस तरह से हम अपना वर्क करें, या इस तरह से अपना बिजनेस डेवलप करें, या इस प्रोडक्ट को किस तरह से हम इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं, या क्या हमारे जो टारगेट है या जो हमारे गोल्स हैं उनको कैसे अचीव करना है, बिज़नेस हमारा कैसे डेवलप करना है, कैसे राइज करना है, लोगों को जो हम प्रोडक्ट दे रहे हैं वो अगर उसमें कहीं कोई चेंज करनी तो उसके लिए ऑलवेज रेडी रहना. whenever necessary. Full stop. Developing strategy in the light of objectives, resources and constraints. Full stop. Generally new and innovative ideas. Full stop. Now 10th point, self-confidence. Having a strong belief in self and own abilities. Expressing confidence in own ability to complete a task. Sticking with own judgment in the face of opposition or early lack of success. Doing something for which chances of success are not very fair. Full stop. Now 11th point, persuasion. Convincing someone successfully to do something else than what he or she would have done, he or she would have done. Selling someone a product or service. Making someone agree to provide resources on extraordinary conditions. Asserting own confidence and competence in personal or company's strengths. Now 12 point, use of influence strategies. Confronting problems and issues with others directly. Speaking politely but firmly. Telling others clearly what they have to do. Reprimanding those who fail to perform as expected, however close they may be. Now next point, monitoring. This is most important थिंग कि आप कोई भी कार्य कर रहे हैं, कोई भी हम जॉब कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी काम कर रहे हैं, अपना पर्सनल है, अपने कोई एक आप ग्रुप में कर रहे हैं या कैसा भी, तो उसके लिए मॉनिटरिंग करना. कोई भी कार्य अगर हम दूसरों को देते हैं या खुद भी करते हैं तो टाइम पे उसकी मॉनिटरिंग करने से उस कार्य की जो क्वालिटी है, गुणवत्ता है, वो बढ़ती है और वो काम टाइम पे पूरा होने के लिए जो हमारे टारगेट्स, जो हमारे गोल्स हैं, उनके लिए भी हमें मॉनिटरिंग इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. मॉनिटरिंग ensuring smooth progress of project or work. Personally supervising all aspects of the work. Developing a system of supervision and monitoring. Ensuring that the work is completed or it is of high quality. Now, last point, concern for others' welfare. Having a concern and taking suitable actions to improve others' welfare. Responding positively to employees' specific needs. having a concern for the welfare of employees and their families. Now, from next para, these competences are very common in good entrepreneur. It can vary with one person to another, but mostly these are very common and important for an entrepreneur. Now, ये हमारा पेपर 17 का यूनिट 1 कंप्लीट हो गया है.